Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ruan from Annelise's Custom Boutique. It's so glad to have you on board today. Now in my previous video I would have showed you guys how to create a transparent PNG file if you were designing a onesie using Canva. Today I'm going to use that same file and show you how to upload it into Cricut Design Space. Yes, you can use Cricut to create your files, but I want to show you how to upload from Canva to Cricut Design Space. So stay tuned. Now usually when I'm creating all my designs in Canva, I download and it will show up in my download folder, but I have a folder saved on my desktop that I usually save all my SVGs and my PNGs from Canva, and I'm just clicking on it to show you that I'm going to be using this princess file. So I'm just closing it and then I will open the Cricut Design Space icon on my desktop. Let me give it a minute just to open up. Alright, when the design space opens, this is what the home page should look like. So I'm just going to click on new project because I'm starting a new project here. And the space is now open. On the left hand side you'll see several icons. Today I'm just going to be working with the upload icon, which is located on the bottom left hand corner. So I'm going to click on upload. And under image I'm going to click on upload an image. I'm just also going to click on browse, and my Canva folder should open because I'm working with it a lot. So I'm just going to click on the PNG that I want to use today, and it's the princess PNG, and I click open. When it comes up, it's going to come up with a transparent background because that's how I saved it after I used it in Canva. I'm also going to click on complex image. I like to use complex image, and then I'm going to click on continue. Let me just minimize the image here a bit for you so that you can see. And because I want to create separate layers for this image, I'm going to just remove the pink box and I'll put it back in the design space when I'm working on the file. So I'm just going to clean that up for a bit. And then I'm going to click continue. If I wanted to print it straight and put it onto the onesie, I'll be clicking the box on the left, which is a print and cut. But because I want to cut separate layers of heat transfer vinyl, I'm going to click on save as a cut image, which is the box on the right. And then I will click continue, and my image is uploaded. You see it repeating several times here, but for the purpose of the video I'm just going to select one and then click continue. It will come across all in one color, which is black. So I have to create separate layers and then I'll be able to change my colors. So for the working of the onesie, I'm working with an image size of 6 inches by 6 inches. So I'm just going to reduce the size to that. And then I have to remove some of the words that I do not want and be able to put it back to create my individual layers. So to do this, I'm going to use the slice feature, and I'm just going to click on a square and make the square big enough so that it can cover the words that I don't want and remove them. So I'm holding down the square, and then I will press the shift key and then the larger image to slice what I don't want. Slice works like a cut feature in Cricut Design Space. So I'm going down to the bottom right corner and click slice, and it will cut out the part that I don't want. I'm just going to delete that. Alright, so now I have to build back my 4 other layers. So I'm just going to hit duplicate 4 times so that I can get 4 individual layers. And I will have all my 5 layers. I'm sure there are other ways of doing this. This is just the technique that I choose to use. And I'm just going to line up all the princesses vertically, and then I'm going to align them horizontally so that all fall on each other in a straight line. And as it is now, I have my 5 individual layers. I can move them if I want, and I can now change the colors if I want. So I've aligned it, and then I'm going to change the colors back to the pink and black color scheme that I originally had. And my original design had a box behind the 3rd princess, so I'm also going to put back in that pink rectangle behind the 3rd layer of princess, so that I could get back my previous image how it looked. Let me just send this to the back and change the color. Right, so I've gotten back my original image. I'm just going to realign it again so that everything lines up perfectly. And as it is, I have my individual layers. I can change them to any color that I want. I can move them in any way that I want. But because my color scheme is pink and black, I'm just going to realign them and then group them. And as it's grouped, it now becomes one image, but it will cut separately. And that's how you upload your image from Canva into Cricut Design Space. And you have to always remember to save your file. But because I saved the file already, I'm not going to resave this one. And basically that's it. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for my next video, because then I'm going to show you guys how to actually cut this out. So guys, if you have not checked out my videos, my previous videos as yet, and if you have not liked, comment and subscribed as yet, feel free to do so. And I'll catch you guys in my next video.